everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 795 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have such a fun and exciting product. This is from the brand Folly Fire and this is the Syncope. I don't know that word. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's the eyeshadow palette and oh my gosh, I am so excited about this. You may have seen this in my PR unboxing video that I did, which means this was sent to me for free, but this is not a sponsored video. They didn't ask me to make this video. They were just so generous and sent me so many amazing products, and I'm really excited to show you this. Try it out. This does retail for $27.99 and it's 9 pans. Look at these beautiful colors. You've got mattes, you've got shimmers. It has a mirror. It's really cool packaging. Feels very high quality packaging. And I'm going to have so much fun playing with color, different types of colors than I usually wear. But I have green eyes, so I think this will be really fun and flattering. This is also vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, and fragrance-free. So I will, of course, have this linked down below. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna swatch all of these. I can't resist. Oh my gosh. This is a beautiful texture. Whoa. These look so pigmented. That first shade already is so beautiful. It's a matte shade, but look at how bright it is. We've got shimmer. Oh, so pretty. Beautiful shimmers. These matte shades are so bright and pigmented. Usually I'm all about the shimmers, but those mattes are blowing me away. Oh, but that shimmer. All right, so check those out so far. Wow. And then a full black shade. So excited to see how that swatches. Ooh, perfect highlight shade. So let's see. 3 matte shades, 6 shimmers. That is a pure black pigmented eyeshadow. I have never seen a black eyeshadow like that. That is amazing. These are such great quality. Oh, love that highlight shade. Gorgeous metallic. Wow. Oh my gosh. These might be some of the best swatches I have ever experienced. Look at that black shade. I am blown away that they created that shade and that formula. It is perfect. Okay, it's time to create an eye look. I am going to test this out with and without an eyeshadow primer. So taking the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion, I'm just going to prime one of my eyes. Although from these swatches, I really don't think these eyeshadows need a primer, but they also have so much pigment that it's good to put on a primer in case it's the type that can stain my skin and just prevent any creasing because I have a lot of lines in my eyelid. But I think that these are going to be bold enough and pigmented enough that it's not going to make much of a difference. We're going to find out though anyways. So I think I need to do a blue and green eyeshadow look. But first step, I am going to do my highlight. So picking up this beautiful, it's called Amnesia. Beautiful, is that like it's like a rosy silver is kind of how it looks. And I'm going to apply that under the brow. That is an absolutely beautiful brow highlight shade. Very reflective. So I like to do my brow highlights first, so then I can blend on top of that. And I'm also going to use this shade as a beautiful inner corner highlight. So pigmented, so flattering. Wow. Even if I wasn't doing eyeshadow, I could just use these as gorgeous complementary highlight. Look how brightening that is and reflective. I love it. But let's move on to the colors. I'm gonna start out kind of bold. I'm gonna pick up that bright matte green shade on a fluffy crease brush and work that into the crease. Oh gosh, pigmented as soon as I touch it to my eye. But so focusing this as the transition shade into the crease up towards the brow bone. But when is there a better time to play with some bold colors than right now, when I don't have to leave the house? Although I do have a Zoom group chat for game night tonight, but this look might be perfect for game night. Gosh, this green is so pretty. It's like a minty green. I don't know why, but it gives me like very refreshing vibes. Oh, and it just blends out so easily. The color is so pretty. And I like that it's like a diffused green, but you saw it when I swatched it. It can get, it's the first one on top there, very bright and pigmented, but it also can diffuse and smoke out really beautifully. And I'm kind of building up the color a little bit just since I love this color so much, and it is building really easily. Okay, we've got the green, we've got the transition. I need to use this gorgeous bright blue shade. So then I'm picking up a small crease brush and I'm going to pick up that blue shade and make that the crease shade. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Like, I knew this palette was going to be good, but I didn't know it was going to be such mind-blowingly good formulas. Like, so easy to apply. Like, honestly, these are the types of colors that I get a little bit intimidated by, because I feel like you need to be an expert makeup artist to create eyeshadow looks with colors this bold. But no, it is so easy to apply. And in a palette like this, the shades are so complementary that you can just put whatever shades on and they're gonna look good. But like, this is so pigmented. And I love those two shades together. That transition is perfect. And shimmer. I am obsessed with this royal blue shimmer here. So this is what I'm going to apply to the outer corner. And I'm just going to apply it with my finger. Like, I only have to lightly touch it to pick up full opaque color. So just, oh my gosh, light as a feather touching my eye, and it's full pigment, foiled beautifulness. Oh my gosh. Is that not the most beautiful shimmering blue? Wow. You know, this look is starting to give me like mermaid vibes. I love that. So focusing this blue in the outer third of my eyelid. so tempting to apply it all over my eyelid because it's so beautiful, but I'm going to do a different shimmer shade on the rest of the eyelid. But gosh, this could not be any easier to apply. And I don't even have any fallout. That's amazing. There's not much kickback. Love that. And then for the rest of my eyelid, I have this beautiful, it's like a teal shimmer. So that's like the perfect complementary shimmer shade to go with the rest of the eye look. So that's this one here. Picking that up with my finger again and applying that to the rest of the eyelid. So pretty. And now I'm just going to do a little bit of blending to get rid of any harsh lines. And then I'm just going to clean up a little bit under my outer corner where it got a little bit below my eye from using my finger. That always happens. If I were to put a piece of tape or something there, it would prevent that, but I just wipe it away quickly and easily. I just love these colors. They make me so happy. But now I am so tempted to use that black shade. So I'm gonna pick up a small, firm brush and just kind of apply it to the outer lower lash line, focusing it on the outer half to kind of give the effect of eyeliner, but more of a smoked out. Yes, love that. That just gives a little extra emphasis to the lashes. And then I'm also going to apply it onto the lower lash line. Like, oh my gosh, this is amazing. It looks like full black liquid eyeliner. Wow. I only picked up a tiny bit and it's still so pigmented. Like, they could sell this black eyeshadow as an eyeliner. It is that full black pigment. Wow. Okay, so here is the finished eye look, and I had so much fun with this. These colors are amazing, so beautiful, so fun, the best formulas. So let's see, does it make a difference with the primer versus without it? I mean, pigment wise, not at all. It is just as bold and pigmented on the eye without the primer. Checking for any creasing. No creasing either. So yeah, this formula is so amazing that you don't even need an eyeshadow primer with it. But oh my gosh, I highly recommend this. This is definitely worth the $28. Like, the best formula. I am so excited to try out more of the Folly Fire products that I got. But so if you have been wanting to play with color, just play around with eyeshadow, I highly recommend you take this time to do this, especially if you know you're staying at home, which I hope you are, if you don't have an essential job that you have to go to. Play around with eyeshadows. Like, this just made me so happy. I had so much fun with it, so I really want you to try that out as well. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.